We're having a power outage today because PG&E is incompetent, and gonna make some coffee. I have my propane grill here, but I'm not going to use it to heat the water. I'm going to use my little camping stove. I'm going to use the propane grill to set that on so that we're fire safe. So the camping stove packs up in this little mesh bag. Few parts to it. So I have here some twigs that I keep around for this purpose. They're going to go in this little basket. Alright. I believe that's where the basket goes. I think we'll flip that over, pop that there, pop that there. Okay, that seems stable. Okay, for the fire starter, I have here some cotton balls that are impregnated with Vaseline that I kept inside of an Altoids tin. I've just flipped them up. And let's see. Drop the stick. Alright, looks like it's working pretty good. That's probably all the fuel that I need right now. I'll let that catch for just a minute. Okay, that seems to be going well. I've got my water in the glass that I want to use to make my coffee. So I'm gonna pour the correct amount. There we go, like that. I believe that we have it burning really well, so it should be good. Should be able to generate enough heat to boil the water. Alright. French press. Gonna put it in the coffee grounds here. Yeah, this might get some residue to stick to the side of my kettle, so I may have to clean it after this. Alright, well, we're getting there. A little bit stop and go, but making progress. I think this is actually the correct stack up for the stove. Alright, I believe all signs indicate that the water's going to start boiling soon. You can see the steam coming out. Alright, so I believe that we're now ready. I'm gonna let that burn down the last little bit of the fuel. Brew up the coffee. Now, French press is going to be rather gritty. Let's have to take what we can get today. My hygienic stir stick. Alright. Now, how's that brewed long enough? Question, dark enough, right? See the ground swirling around in there. Yeah, now our fuel's burned up. You can see there's just some embers left in there. No flames. Still plenty of heat though. Now I'm going to press this down slowly to keep more of the coffee grounds out of my mouth. Okay, hit the bottom. Do I have this turned the wrong way or something? Yeah, of course I do. Alright. And then I've got my lid here. Can be applied to prevent spillage. And now I just have to clean up. So allow this to cool, pack it back up, put the tea kettle back and clean it up, and all that.